Well, imagine this, flying from Tampa to China, Australia, or anywhere else in less than an hour.
What do you got? What's going on?
Well, I mean, the exciting thing to do would be some sort of electric vertical takeoff and landing, supersonic jet of some kind.
Vertical takeoff and landing, meaning no need for a runway. Just shoot up straight in the air and then...
Elon Musk, the mind behind Tesla and SpaceX, is shaking up the aviation world. His ambitious vision, a fully electric plane that could revolutionize how we travel. It's a concept that has aerospace giants like Boeing and Airbus on edge and could redefine the future of flight forever. So, how will the Tesla plane work? What challenges lie ahead? And could this really spell the end of traditional aviation dominance? Let's dive in. Chapter 1. Elon Musk's vision for the Tesla plane. Elon Musk is no stranger to rewriting the rules. From electric cars to reusable rockets, he's built a career around turning ambitious ideas into reality. Now, he's setting his sights on aviation. The Tesla plane aims to eliminate one of the most significant contributors to global carbon emissions, commercial airliners. Why electric? Traditional airplanes rely on jet fuel, which is both harmful to the environment and inefficient. Air travel alone contributes to about 2.5% of global carbon emissions. Electric propulsion, however, promises up to 90% efficiency, quieter operation, and zero emissions. Musk's vision is not just about cutting pollution. It's about creating an entirely new experience. Flights that are cheaper to operate, quieter for passengers, and kinder to the planet. But Musk knows the challenges. One key hurdle is battery energy density, which needs to improve significantly to make electric planes feasible. Yet Tesla has been breaking ground in battery technology for years. With advancements like the 4680 battery cell, which offers greater energy storage and faster charging, the idea of a Tesla plane is becoming more than just a dream. Chapter 2. How would the Tesla plane work? The mechanics of an electric plane are as revolutionary as its concept. Traditional planes rely on jet fuel combustion to power engines. A Tesla plane, however, would use electric motors powered by high-capacity batteries. Imagine this: a sleek aircraft with multiple electric engines embedded in its wings, each quieter and smaller than today's massive jet engines. The batteries, likely housed in the wings or fuselage, would provide the energy. Fewer moving parts mean reduced maintenance costs and increased reliability. However, the biggest challenge lies in weight. Batteries are heavy, and unlike jet fuel, which gets lighter as it's consumed, batteries retain their full weight throughout the flight. Tesla would need batteries with an energy density of around 400 watt-hours per kilogram to make this viable. With innovations like the 4680 cell, Tesla is closing in on this goal. Could we see a Tesla plane in the skies within the next decade? If battery technology continues advancing at its current pace, the answer might be yes. Chapter 3. Why Boeing and Airbus should be worried. For decades, Boeing and Airbus have dominated the skies. But as Tesla proved in the automotive world, no industry is immune to disruption. Boeing's business model revolves around traditional jet engines and fuel-based systems. Transitioning to electric propulsion would require a complete overhaul of their processes, a daunting and costly endeavor. On the other hand, Tesla's startup mindset allows it to innovate faster, unburdened by decades of entrenched practices. Moreover, public demand for sustainable travel is growing. If Tesla delivers a plane that's not only environmentally friendly, but also cheaper and more efficient, Boeing and Airbus could find themselves scrambling to catch up, just like traditional automakers did with Tesla's electric cars. Chapter 4. Lessons from Tesla's automotive disruption. Tesla didn't just build electric cars. It redefined what cars could be. The Tesla Model S showed the world that electric vehicles could be fast, stylish, and practical. The company also addressed key barriers, such as charging infrastructure, by creating its own supercharger network. Traditional automakers like Ford and GM are now racing to electrify their fleets, but Tesla's head start has left them playing catch-up. The same scenario could unfold in aviation. companies like Boeing and Airbus, focused on improving jet engines, might be blindsided by a revolutionary electric alternative. Chapter 5: The Global Race for Electric Aviation. Tesla isn't the only player eyeing electric flight. In Europe, Airbus has invested heavily in electric and hybrid planes. Projects like eFan-X and ZEROe demonstrate Europe's commitment to sustainable aviation. In the US, startups like Wright Electric and Ampere are developing electric aircraft for regional travel. However, Tesla's expertise in battery technology and electric propulsion gives it a significant edge. If the company enters the aviation market, it could accelerate innovation globally, much like it did with electric cars. Chapter 6: Overcoming Challenges. Every groundbreaking innovation faces obstacles, and the Tesla plane is no exception. 1. Battery energy density. Current batteries need to store more energy without adding weight. While challenging, Tesla's track record suggests this is a solvable problem. 2. Infrastructure. Airports would need charging stations capable of powering massive battery packs. Tesla could leverage its experience with supercharger networks to tackle this challenge. 3. Regulation. The aviation industry is heavily regulated, and transitioning to electric planes would require new standards and certifications. But if anyone can overcome these hurdles, it's Tesla. Chapter 7: The Environmental Case for Electric Planes. Air travel's environmental impact is undeniable. Electric planes could dramatically reduce emissions, ushering in a new era of cleaner skies. Imagine flying from New York to London with zero emissions, knowing your journey isn't harming the planet. This isn't just about technology. It's about creating a more sustainable future. Closing thoughts. Elon Musk's Tesla plane isn't just about building a new aircraft. It's about rethinking how we travel. By combining innovation with sustainability, Tesla could transform aviation as we know it. So, what do you think? Are electric planes the future of travel, or is this vision still a long way off? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.